Good morning from Epcot. We're here to check out the new temporary MouseGear location that just opened today. Now the old MouseGear location is closed. Thankfully, there's a new place we can shop. So let's take a look. They've got a sign out there. When you enter the store, there's a ton of Park Life merchandise here on the side. It's actually a pretty big store. You can see the lighting, nice. Got t-shirts here. You'll notice they kept a lot of their themed displays here. Gears. You can see people have already found the new MouseGear and come on over. Got a lot of people shopping already. It's pretty early. They kept the headgear sign. That went missing from the store a few days ago, so it's nice that it's here. Now on the left here, there's registers. They only have temporary ones today, but they said they'll have the other ones tomorrow. But there are 2 sets of registers in the store. See here.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, and they brought the cooler over.
Is she a bald? I hear a bald. She's still laying in bed.
Starbucks. And again, more of the displays from the old store. Here's a little look back towards the front door. Now there's also a second entrance, and I'll show you in just a moment. Let's finish going through the store. Got all our jewelry. In the back wall, you've got Dooney and Burke. They've got Pandora. They've got Alex and Ani. Show you that second set of registers here. It's near where all the jewelry and things are. And they've brought over the registers from the old store. And like I said, up front, they have the temporary ones, but they should have these pretty soon. They'll be bringing these over. You love cast members. They've got all your new 2020 merchandise here in the back. Section with candy. I said it was early, that's why this wall of plush looks so pristine right now. You can appreciate it. The music's also a lot different in here. It's kind of nice. I'll show you that back door I was talking about real quick. So where the Joffrey's is, there's actually a Joffrey's located right next to the entrance of this new MouseGear. Now there's a pathway on the side. So this just opened as well, this pathway out here. Quick look. There's even a sign over the back door. And here's that pathway. So it's nice that they have more than one way to get in and out of the store. Help with the crowds. And so here's that little pathway. We got our Joffrey's up here. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the new MouseGear location. This is just a temporary one. Passing by Joffrey's, it's loud. Again, this is just a temporary location. They are remodeling the old one. You can see Test Track over there. And so there you have it. Got the new MouseGear. New pathway by Joffrey's. And there we go.